In July 1947, America was gripped by a sudden and intense fascination with UFOs. Reports of flying saucers poured in from every corner of the country. This frenzy began on June 24, 1947, when private pilot Kenneth Arnold claimed to have seen 9 bright objects flying near Seattle at unprecedented speeds of 2,000 km/h. Within 2 weeks, the phenomenon had captured national attention, with countless sightings reported and the media buzzing with speculation. But the true turning point came when a rancher in New Mexico, Mac Brazel, discovered strange debris in his field and brought it to local authorities. The military's initial announcement about recovering a flying disc only fueled the fire before they quickly retracted their statement, attributing the debris to a weather balloon. This sequence of events sparked endless debates and theories, with some suggesting that the government was hiding the truth about extraterrestrial encounters. What really happened in Roswell? And why does Area 51, a remote military base, remain the epicenter of alien conspiracy theories to this day? Let's explore these questions and more. As the media frenzy over UFOs grew, it wasn't long before the focus turned to certain sensitive sites across America. The reports of UFO sightings often clustered around areas with significant military or atomic research activities. This was no coincidence. The most notable of these areas were nuclear test sites. The media and the public began to speculate about a connection between these mysterious sightings and America's burgeoning atomic program. In the midst of this speculation, Mac Brazel, a rancher from New Mexico, recalled finding strange pieces of debris on his property a few weeks earlier. Unsure of what to make of it, he brought the materials tinfoil, rubber, and wooden beams to the sheriff in Roswell. This seemingly mundane action set off a chain of events that would become the cornerstone of UFO lore. Colonel William Blanchard of the Roswell Army Airfield was quickly involved, and the military issued a statement claiming they had recovered a flying disc. This announcement was a bombshell, suggesting that the rumors about flying saucers were true. However, the excitement was short-lived. The very next day, the military retracted their statement, claiming that the debris was from a weather balloon, not a spacecraft. To support their revised narrative, they released photographs of Major Jesse Marcel posing with pieces of the alleged weather balloon. Despite the retraction, the Roswell incident had already captured the public imagination. While the media moved on, many remained skeptical of the official explanation. The story might have faded into obscurity if not for a resurgence of interest in the late 1970s. During this time, UFO enthusiasts began to revisit the Roswell incident, spurred by new claims and revelations. Major Jesse Marcel, who had been central to the original investigation, publicly stated that the debris he had seen was not of this world. He insisted that the materials were unlike anything made on Earth, fueling further speculation and interest. This renewed interest in Roswell coincided with growing curiosity about a remote military base in Nevada Area 51. Shrouded in secrecy, Area 51 became synonymous with UFOs and extraterrestrial research. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar claimed to have worked at a site near Area 51, known as S4, where he allegedly reverse-engineered alien technology. According to Lazar, he had first-hand experience with flying saucers and advanced propulsion systems that defied conventional physics. His claims, though controversial, added a new layer to the Roswell mystery and solidified Area 51's place in popular culture. Fast forward to June 2019, when a college student named Maddie Roberts, inspired by a podcast featuring Bob Lazar, created a Facebook event called Storm Area 51. They can't stop all of us. The event, intended as a joke, suggested that a mass gathering at Area 51 could uncover the truth about extraterrestrial life. The idea quickly went viral, with millions expressing interest in attending. While the event started as a prank, it highlighted the enduring fascination with Area 51 and the desire to uncover hidden truths. On the day of the event, instead of a mass storming of the base, What unfolded was a peaceful, alien-themed festival. Known as Alien Stock, it drew thousands of attendees who camped out in the desert, celebrated alien culture, and speculated about what might be hidden inside the infamous base. The event was largely peaceful, with more law enforcement officers present than participants, ensuring that no one attempted to breach the secure facility. The historical context of Area 51 provides insight into why it became such a focal point for conspiracy theories. Established during the Cold War, the base was initially used for testing high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. One of the most significant projects was the development of the U-2 spy plane, designed to fly at altitudes beyond the reach of Soviet missiles. The secrecy surrounding these tests naturally led to speculation and the birth of various conspiracy theories. The U-2's successor, the SR-71 Blackbird, pushed the boundaries even further. Capable of flying at speeds exceeding 3,000 km/h in altitudes of over 24,000 meters, the Blackbird was a marvel of engineering. Its development and testing, conducted under tight security, contributed to the mystique of Area 51. To maintain secrecy, the government neither confirmed nor denied reports of strange aircraft, allowing UFO theories to flourish. This tactic worked well, as it diverted attention from the true nature of their activities. In 1994, the U.S. Air Force finally revealed that the debris recovered in Roswell was part of Project Mogul, a top-secret program involving high-altitude balloons equipped with microphones to detect Soviet nuclear tests. This revelation aimed to dispel lingering doubts and conspiracy theories, but for many, it was too little, too late. Years of government secrecy and misinformation had eroded public trust, allowing theories about alien spacecraft and hidden extraterrestrial technology to persist. The enduring legacy of the Roswell incident and Area 51 has been fueled by a mix of government secrecy, genuine curiosity, and a touch of the fantastical. Theories about alien bodies and reverse-engineered technology continue to captivate imaginations. The term UFO itself has evolved, with the U.S. government now using unidentified aerial phenomena UAP to describe unexplained sightings. In recent years, declassified documents and official statements have revealed numerous sightings and investigations, but without concrete evidence of extraterrestrial origins. In conclusion, the Roswell incident and Area 51 remain enduring symbols of mystery and intrigue. While much of the speculation can be attributed to Cold War secrecy and the development of advanced military aircraft, the allure of the unknown keeps these stories alive. Whether driven by genuine curiosity or the thrill of conspiracy, the fascination with UFOs in Area 51 shows no signs of fading. As new information emerges and technology advances, we may yet uncover more truths about these enigmatic events. Until then, the legends of Roswell and Area 51 continue to captivate and inspire.